Today we are cooking rice balls. Here's you'll be needing our chicken, water, some seaweed in a bag, rice, and some plastic food wrap.
First, you pour a cup of rice into the pot, then you add a cup of water. Then you turn on the stove to medium Fahrenheit. Next, you put the lid on top of the pot and wait 20 minutes for the rice to cook.
The rice is boiling in the water, and rice contains about 90% starches, and the reaction of starch in water occurs from the increase in temperature. Heat causes the breakdown of starches of long-chain carbohydrates into simpler ones to digest. As the heating continues, the rice gets bigger because it is absorbing the water. At a certain temperature, the rice will be cooked and the rice starch molecules break apart. When the rice starch molecules break apart, this causes the structure of the grain to become soft, mushy, and sticky.
Okay, after 20 minutes of cooking the rice, it's finally done. Yay!
You can cut the chicken into small pieces. So, we put our pot onto the stove, and you're going to need several glasses of water and just pour it into the pot. Then afterwards, you're going to take your cut chicken and we're going to just put it inside the pot. And then we're going to turn the stove on. And you want to put the lid on top and just wait for it to boil for 20 minutes.
As the chicken is boiling, the heat from the stove breaks down vitamins, amino acids, and proteins. We use chicken, a white meat that weighs less and carries more oxygen. When you first start to boil the raw chicken, it's pink. And then it turns white when it reaches a certain temperature, and then you'll know it's completely cooked. Also, because the fatty acids on the chicken is less dense than the boiling water, the fat separates from the chicken and rises to the top of the water. This is why you see little blobs of fat on top of the water when boiling chicken. Okay, now we're taking the chicken out.
So what you want to do is now take the rice out of the pot and put it into a bowl. We're going to put the plastic food wrap on top of our cutting boards, and now we're going to start making the rice balls. So you want to do is take some rice from the bowl and place it onto the wrap and just flatten it out.
And you can put as much rice as you want.
Okay, then you can take some seaweed from here and take it however much you want, and you just put it in the middle. Put a lot or a little bit, doesn't matter. And you can put some chicken in here. Start to put the plastic together, like in a little bowl. In a bowl, I mean like a ball. And just start like making it into a circle, or like whatever shape you want. So the seaweed and the chicken are inside.
Just like pound it into a ball.
And here you have your rice ball. Oh, yours is perfect. Okay. Then you can just open it up. And then you can just take a bite.
Bowl.
Then you just eat it.
Okay.